Dr. Katrina Coulter. I'm an infectious disease physician and I am the founder of Infinity ID and Wellness here in Southern Colorado. My goal is to help you navigate a complex and confusing health journey, especially when things don't seem to fit nicely into a box. In infectious diseases, often things will fit into a specific category, like pneumonia, urinary tract infection, or sinus infection. But sometimes the symptoms don't follow the textbook or they last longer than expected. And that's where general infectious disease care is really important. In general infectious diseases, we explore questions that don't have obvious answers. This might be something like an unexplained fever, chronic inflammation, abnormal lab tests, or symptoms that come and go without a recognizable pattern. Often when patients come to see me with these complaints, they've already seen several clinicians and haven't been able to find an answer, or they've gotten several rounds of antibiotics that really haven't changed anything. Or sometimes they're just feeling like something is being missed and it needs further investigation. When patients come to me, I approach this like I'm putting together a puzzle or like I'm solving a riddle. So I take the pieces of the puzzle that we have in front of us, and then I start looking for the missing pieces. And we try to put those together into a picture that makes sense and will give us an action plan for the next step. Pattern recognition is really important in infectious diseases, and this is my love language. This is my zone of genius. So come on over and chat with me if you are having some symptoms that no one can explain. My goal is to partner with you. I don't want to overwhelm you with a bunch of medical jargon or order a bunch of unnecessary tests. So we will listen to your story, and then I'll ask you for details such as what has worked, what hasn't worked, and what your intuition is telling you about your symptoms. Then we'll get into labs, imaging, cultures, prior treatments, exposure history, travel history, diet and lifestyle, and overall health condition to really get to the bottom of the problem. At Infinity ID and Wellness, my goal is not just to treat this symptom, but to prevent it from coming back and to help you reestablish your prior level of functioning or to gain a new, better level of functioning that will be lasting well into your future. Please book a consultation today if you are having an unusual, unexplained symptom, and we will help you get to the bottom of this and have a clear, actionable plan to move forward.